Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking at that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, we had not posted any video presentation, but we had provided a chart support in our blog website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com. So, whenever we are not posting any videos, please always go back rather than watching in the YouTube channel. Please go back, go to our website, our blog website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com, where we would have provided you some support through chart materials. Now let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday on the previous day, you can see that it is clearly dominated by the buyers. There is no doubt about the trading what happened on the previous day and closed higher. What we expected is that right from 29,220 we were expecting that the market can put some buying. That is really happened in gold market, but there is no doubt about the trend but it is a very big rally. So we should understand that when the price had moved from a long range, there are a lot of possibilities that the market will come down and test its support or resistance. Then only it can move higher. That is what we called as a consolidation, because it needs a clear direction and clear support from more buyers so that the next zone can be supported well. What is the reason why the market is consolidating? Because it needs some external support from few or more buyers so that they can also come into the show and they can take and move the price higher. If the no more buyers are not coming in, so the market then it will come down and consolidate in another zone so that it can attract more buyers. So that this is how the support and resistance works. But so many times we had told you, trading in gold, particularly in gold, you should be very strong on analyzing price actions and support and resistance. Now we expected the market to continue its buying till 29,520. So yesterday we increased the stop loss to 200 points. Now slowly and steadily we will be increasing the stop loss so that we need to protect our profit whichever we have earned during this complete price rally. So now let us see what happened. After the price opening, initially the market provided the buying momentum and it went up and tested this 29,820. So you can see the price is consolidating here and this 29,820 is forming a good resistance. You can see on the previous day it provided some resistance around this zone, and yesterday also it provided some resistance. So it is our duty to mark all the support and resistance immediately so that it can guide us in future. So this is how we had marked all these lines. It is not every day we go and mark these support and resistance. So what happened is that again it came down, and you see that on the previous day in exactly the same price the market had provided a buying momentum. So after taking a good support here and clearly entering into the zone, the market went higher. Now let us see what happened. The same thing happened but with a good momentum. You can see in this zone also the market was quite reluctant, but here you can see the level of buying you had, but it entered and broke this 29,820 also. You can see that after the price went and tested and came up till 29,875. So this is forming a resistance zone. You can see that after entering in 29,860 it came down, then it again went and tested the zone. So it is a lot of struggle. It is forming a potential resistance zone. 29,860 is forming as a potential resistance zone, and we can take this 29,820 to 29,860 is forming a great resistance for gold market. And after taking a resistance, you can see that the price exactly came down. The price actually came down after taking a good resistance around 29,860. Then what happened is that again this 29,760 is providing a good support. You can see that after breaking it, the price came down and provided a good support and pushed the market just above 29,820. And you can see again this is providing a good support here. So it consolidated and closed around 29,793. On seeing the entire price action, we can very well notice that so it is consolidation with the trend. This is how we call it as a consolidation with the trend, because the market maintained a buying momentum throughout 29,760. Every time the market hits the zone, it went up, but we cannot deny the fact, see the high is decreasing. 29,860, 29,000, just about 29,820, and here. So the high is also decreasing. So today's opening will play a good major role, but still the trend will be intact. We can say that the market is still good for buying. We can expect an uptrend, but we should have the sufficient funds for holding these zones, because you need to average till 29,520. So you cannot escape from this zone till 29,520. We are expecting crude to gold market to stay in uptrend. So see the level of stop loss. So we need to apply proper money management techniques. If you have sufficient funds, you can go and trade in the zone. Else you may need to wait for the market to consolidate, then you can enter into the market, because these are the risky zones. When the market will be clear with the trend, we know the trend is clear, but if there is any drawdown from the price, what is happening, and then a bounce back, surely it is going to provide you a bounce back. You should have sufficient funds to support all your trading needs. So if you don't have sufficient funds, go with the mini contracts and try to apply all the money management techniques, so that you can come out. Always we say that whenever you are averaging, because we had made a good profit in gold, whenever you are averaging, keep in mind, try to book profit for the average lots at regular time interval with minimum profit, because we need to protect all our profit. Then we can expect, we can wait for the market to consolidate, then we can go for a big rally. So this is how we plan our trading. You can call it as a trading strategy or plan based upon your money management techniques and methods. It depends upon the jargons, whichever you can say that. What I are expecting is that possible same opening around the same zone, and that expected target zone, if the price is going to break 29,820 and 60, is going to be the key zone. If it is going to break, so 29,920 is possible, and so we can say that the market is slowly and steadily moving into a 3,000 zone. So let us see how it's moving. So thanks a lot for watching all our videos and support. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.